In this video, we are going to see how to select all the columns from a PySpark data frame. I have a simple employee dataset with columns like employee ID, employee name, department, salary, and location. Now, let me load this CSV file. So in this notebook, I have loaded the CSV file into a PySpark data frame. So here I used spark.read option. I used header true, infer schema true, and CSV file path I mentioned. Now let me quickly display the data frame. For that, let's go df dot data frame show and run it. Here we can see all the columns in our employee data frame: employee ID, name, department, salary, and location. Now let's say I want to select all the columns from this data frame. For that, I can use the select function and pass an asterisk. Let me show you that. For that, let me create another code environment, and in this code environment, let me type select, and within this select I will mention star and dot show. Here you are getting this error because here that asterisk will not accept as it is. So we have to keep it in between of double quotes. And now if you run it, it takes time, little time. Now if you see same result, you got employee ID, employee name, department, salary, and location. In same way, we can also assign this result to another data frame. For example, here let me create another data frame called df all, and we'll use df.select within double quotes mention star, and then what we do, we will press enter. Here you mentioned here, but here what we will do, df all dot show, and now run it. So here we need to remember one thing: show is used to display the data frame, whereas select is used to select columns and return a data frame. So whenever you want to select all the columns using select, then you can simply use an asterisk inside the function of select. That's it for this video. In the next video, we will look at how to select a specific column from a PySpark data frame.